It's a cool place. My YouTube fans will like it.
Ready?
Hello!
Hello!
Underneath a bridge, cars. Yo, that's just scary.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, my storage space is gonna kill me.
Ah, the storage is killing you. Whatever you do, do not look down, because you can see straight through the floor.
We are kind of high up.
Yeah. But if you go over here and look straight down, over on the knowing your fear of heights.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh shit, no.
I told you. Don't look straight down over here.
I'm terrified I'm gonna lose my phone. Like it's just gonna drop straight down. I'm gonna fly.
I was accidentally reeled in all the way. Yo, I just passed that little part that goes down a bit.
Yeah.
Definitely gotta ask our grandma if we could come back here. I don't really want to say. I don't really want to say names. Like I said, I was gonna post this. I really don't want to say names. Yes, control my hand. You're squeezing a bit too tight.
How to get the full 360 view?
I don't know. My storage space don't kill me.
Shut up, DJ. Don't look.
I could teach you how to.
We're back at the beginning.
You just gotta take risks and delete a bunch of stuff. And don't take that 2-piece or 3-piece picture of the same thing.
I didn't say the same thing.
Well, I know people do that and they wonder why their storage is full. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, yeah.
Oh God! Oh.
Spider?
No, that scared the crap out of me. The fuzz. I swear, I thought the spider was like, oh my God. But cried. You understand me? I literally almost cried.
That water bottle's still here.
Yes.
Am I going to put that on full 60?
I'm in picture frame, DJ.
No, you're not. I made sure. I'll even go back and check the video if you're in it. Veronica, I'm a good editor. If you're in it, I will edit it.
Picture. Video.
We got him. Let's go. Now, where is BB?
Oh, the other side of that white car.
All right. Nice. Excuse us, wasp.